Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Freecash to Binance. At first go through freecash.com. Then log into your account. Once you're in, you will see your balance at the top right corner. Make sure you have enough points on Freecash to meet the minimum withdrawal requirement. After that, decide on the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, for now Bitcoin, Ethereum or USD, or choose a coin that Binance supports. After that, log into your Binance account and go to Deposit section and select the cryptocurrency you choose on Freecash. Binance will give you a wallet address. Copy the address carefully. After that, go back to Freecash. Then go to the Withdraw section. Select the cryptocurrency, paste the Binance wallet address, and confirm the transaction. So, that was all. Thanks for watching.